Okay, final question. Key point here, look, do not use a calculator to answer this question. So we have to show everything that we're doing. So, excuse me, 15 to the 1/3 to the power of 6. When we have now power of 15 raised to another power, we can multiply those together. So 15 to the 1/3 times 6, which is 15 squared, which is 225. Okay, when it says all working must be shown, you may want to work out 225. You may want to work out the 15 times 15, but I just knew it, and I think it's acceptable for you to just be able to know it. Okay, second one, rationalizing. So I want to get rid of, so when it's talking about rationalizing, it means I don't want a surd on the bottom, so 8 plus of the root 5. So that's what we need to get rid of, and we do that by multiplying top and bottom by the excuse me, by the conjugate, which is 8 minus root 5. We just changed the sign in between them. So on the top, we got a nice multiplication because it's just 1 times something, which is that something. 8 minus root 5. On the bottom, we've got a double bracket expansion. So because we need to show all our working, I'm going to do that double bracket expansion. As you know, I use a grid method to be able to do this. Okay, so we'll have 8 plus root 5 on one side and 8 minus root 5 on the other. So when we multiply here, we've got 8 times 8 in the first box, so give me 64. Then I've got 8 times negative root 5 is negative 8 root 5. Then I have root 5 times 8, so that gives me positive 8 root 5. And then root 5 times negative root 5 is going to be negative 5. So what we end up with here is we have, both this term, sorry about that, I'm getting my formatting wrong. Okay, so this box, there we go, and this one are both surds. They're both root 5 terms, and the other two that I'm going to leave in white are number terms. So if by sorting that out we can get, I've shown my working, so I end up with 64 plus 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5. Well, that will cancel out, minus 5, so 64 minus 5. So we end up with 8 minus root 5 over 59.